In the ever-evolving landscape of dietary approaches, the Mediterranean and keto diets have emerged as prominent contenders, each with its unique philosophy. While both diets offer distinct paths to wellness, the Mediterranean diet beckons with a holistic and sustainable approach that has captivated health enthusiasts worldwide. This article delves into the differences between these two diets, shedding light on why the Mediterranean diet's time-honored principles hold the key to nourishing both body and soul. The Mediterranean diet and the keto diet offer unique perspectives on nutrition. The Mediterranean diet stands out as a well-rounded and sustainable approach. Unlike the strict carb restrictions of the keto diet, the Mediterranean diet embraces a rich variety of whole foods, promoting balanced eating and a heart-healthy lifestyle for long-term well-being. What is the Mediterranean diet? The Mediterranean diet is a way of eating that's inspired by the countries around the Mediterranean Sea. People who follow this diet eat lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. They also enjoy olive oil and lean proteins like fish and chicken. It's a healthy way of eating that helps keep our bodies strong and happy. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a special way of eating where you eat very few carbohydrates and a lot of fats. When we usually eat, our bodies use carbs for energy, but with the keto diet, our bodies use fats instead. This helps our bodies enter a special state called ketosis, which can help some people lose weight. What are the differences between the Mediterranean diet and the keto diet? In the realm of diets, two prominent contenders have captured attention for their potential health benefits: the Mediterranean and the keto diets. While both offer unique approaches to nourishing the body, they stand on opposite ends of the dietary spectrum. In this article, we explore the differences between these two diets and shed light on why the Mediterranean diet shines as a sustainable and enriching choice for overall well-being. Philosophy of food groups. At the core of the Mediterranean diet lies a celebration of balanced eating, heavily focused on whole foods. It emphasizes the consumption of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats like olive oil. In contrast, the keto diet leans toward extreme carbohydrate restriction, emphasizing high fat intake and minimal carbohydrates to induce a state of ketosis. Approach to fats. While fats play a key role in both diets, their sources and ratios differ significantly. The Mediterranean diet embraces healthy fats from sources like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish, providing a balance of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. On the other hand, the keto diet encourages high fat intake, including saturated fats, often leading to an imbalance that could potentially impact heart health. Carbohydrate intake. One of the stark contrasts lies in carbohydrate consumption. The Mediterranean diet allows for a moderate intake of complex carbohydrates from whole grains, legumes, and vegetables. This sustains energy levels and provides essential nutrients. In contrast, the keto diet restricts carbohydrates drastically to promote ketosis, potentially leading to nutrient deficiencies and energy fluctuations. Sustainability and longevity. A significant advantage of the Mediterranean diet is its sustainability. Rooted in the eating habits of Mediterranean cultures, it is not just a temporary regimen but a way of life that encourages mindful eating. With its focus on varied and enjoyable foods, the Mediterranean diet can be sustained over the long term, promoting overall health and longevity. The keto diet, however, can be challenging to maintain due to its restrictive nature and potential for nutrient imbalances. Heart-healthy approach. The Mediterranean diet has been extensively studied and is associated with numerous health benefits, particularly for heart health. Its emphasis on whole foods, healthy fats, and antioxidants contributes to reduced risk factors for heart disease. In contrast, the keto diet's high-fat, low-carb approach may have a less clear impact on long-term heart health, potentially affecting cholesterol levels. While both the Mediterranean diet and the keto diet have their merits, the Mediterranean diet stands out as a well-rounded, sustainable, and heart-healthy approach to nourishing the body. Its emphasis on diverse, whole foods and balanced nutrients offers a positive and enjoyable path toward well-being that can be embraced for a lifetime.